Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a formula field in Microsoft Dataverse. We will create it on the case table using real customer support scenario and see how it calculates values automatically without using Power Automate or without using plugins or custom action or any workflows. Okay, so in another video we will also explore prompt column in Dataverse, so please stay tuned for that. So I am first creating the escalation weight, which is the prompt field, and I have one prompt here. I will explain you. So the prompt is that if the priority is set to high, then we have to give that what is the weightage of the priority. Like, so for example, the account support tier, that is an option set on the account. If that is gold, then that means the weightage is 100. If it is platinum, then it is 90, and if it is silver, then 80. Let me show you that account. So here we have support tier and we have the options silver, platinum and gold. So this will determine the priority weightage. If some account has set the case priority to high, and so then our system should identify that what is the weightage of all the priority, right? So this is what we are going to do. If it is set to high, then check the account supporting tier which is on the account record. If it is set to gold, then the weightage will be 100. If it is platinum, then 90, and so on. And if, for example, by default, if it is not set to high, if it is normal or low, then still we have to calculate the weightage. If the account support tier is gold, then it is 60, and if it is platinum, then 50, and if it is silver. So I'm going to use this formula for the PowerFX formula. And we have the escalation weight field, and we set data type as prompt, and now we will add the prompt here. Sorry, formula. So prompt we will do later. Now will do formula that I have copied from there. Just paste it here and save. Weighted escalation, let me put it on the phone. Save and publish. Let me now meanwhile refresh the form, the case form. Let me hard reload the page. Okay, so we have the field that we have created, and now we will test it. Let me say and supporting account I will set to coffee. For coffee, let me check what we have set. The account support it is silver, so we will now change it to gold and then to platinum. So once we update this from here, that will also be automatically updated. Escalation weightage will also be automatically updated. It will not require any plugin, not require any automation or like workflows or something. Let me save it. Okay, so I will again check the coffee lab. I'm selecting account again here because it is the custom field. Support account is the custom field, and here the customer is out of the box. Why we required it again here? Because this customer field is a polymorphic lookup, right? So here we can also select a contact and a customer. So the the formula which is we have set here is not compatible with the polymorphic lookup, right? So with the polymorphic lookup, we cannot set any formula. It will not be compatible. So for that purpose, we must have to use a single lookup field. Let me save it. And yes, so it is set automatically to 40. And let me set priority to from normal to high, and then it will recalculate. Now let me also reset to normal. Okay, it's working fine. And now what I will do, I will set it to high, and then I will go to that support account and will set it to plugging in. You have to refresh it. So it is increased to 90. So the formula is working for fine from both of the tables records operation, right? So yeah, the formula field that we have created is working fine.